Subscribe to Astitva Savarn and press the bell icon to watch the latest video more faster than the
Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to Astitva Savarn. Today we are going to unbox Xiaomi Mi 11. So let's get started. At the bottom, you get the branding of Mi A1 and at the top Android one. So side the same. And at the back you get some information and features of the phone. So let's get unbox it. So first remove all the plastic covers from here. So get ready to unbox it. I'm just removing the plastic. So I have removed the plastics. Oh, the box looked pretty nice and you got the branding of me. The build quality looks really nice and here is written if the shield is cut, do not accept it. So I'm going to cut the seal and open the box. Oh my god, the phone looks really nice. It's really nice. So take it out and the build quality looks really nice and let's keep it beside and check the box ingredient, what's inside it, box content. So removing the first box, oh, at the bottom you get a piece of cloth and a plastic shield for your screen. That's a screen guard for your screen protection. And beside the box you get a pin to open the SIM card slot and micro SD card slot, and in the box you get the charging muffler or adapter you can say. So I am opening the box and you get some papers, user manuals and warranty cards which you need to read it before using. So let's keep it all beside and check inside what is inside and what's inside left. And then you got a data cable. Oh, it's really nice. And you got the data cable in the type of C card. That's C type charging slot, charging port, I mean. So let's keep the all boxes beside and take the phone in hand. The phone feels awesome in hand. At the back you got a fingerprint scanner and dual camera of 13 megapixels and 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB ROM. So here on the screen you got written me.com. That is the official site of MI. And looking forward, let's remove the plastic. Oh, it it is so cool. It it feels awesome. So you got Android one written. It is the proof, or it proves that your phone is directly associated with Google. So let's set up the phone. Beside it, I will check the features while I am setting up. So you got dual rear camera of 13 plus 13 megapixel and a fingerprint scanner, and in front you got a camera of 5 MP. So that's not good, but it will perform really nice. So I'm connecting it with Wi-Fi, and it's connected. So the phone is really good, and I am suggesting you to buy it. And the link of the phone to buy it will be in the description. So it will cost you about 14,000 rupees, and the phone is directly open. Oh my god, the touch is really good, really good. And you got these type of ingredients in it. So let's open the camera. Allow, and then you are in the camera. So this is suggesting you to get in portrait mode to take the photos in bokeh effect. So I will give you the sample images at the last of the video. And in back you got your IMEI code and a fingerprint scanner, your your this is your 3.5 jack, audio jack, and that is the speaker. The phone feels so guys, you got the image of bokeh effect, and I'm going to show you one more image without bokeh effect. If you need a specific video on this, comment below. And thanks for watching. Comment below, and thanks for spending your time.